I left my boyfriend after a health crisis. I'm 53, and my ex-boyfriend is 62. We were together for 15 years. I wanted to get married, but he didn't. I'm younger and in much better health, whereas he has some chronic health problems. About 12 to 13 years ago, I was okay with getting married, for better or worse. I was fully prepared to stand by him for the rest of our lives, even though it was pretty obvious to me that he was not going to age well. He didn't want to get married, in part because he wanted to leave everything to his children. I was okay with this, but I made it clear that I wasn't going to make wife-level sacrifices to take care of a boyfriend. I asked him to at least make me his medical power of attorney, and grant me the right to continue living in his house if I outlived him. He refused. I made sure to keep my finances in order. I bought a condo and rented it out to pay the mortgage. About 6 months ago, my ex-boyfriend had a TIA, mini stroke. I was afraid he was having a real stroke. His daughter and ex-wife came to the hospital and kicked me out so they could be together as a family one last time. I went home and started packing. When the TIA resolved, he called to find out where I was. I told him what happened, and he was furious with his daughter for kicking me out of his room and for letting his ex-wife in. They had a very bitter divorce and he still hates her. He was discharged the next day. On the way home I told him I was moving out. I stayed with him a few days to make sure he was okay. Then I left to stay with friends until the lease was up on my condo. He's had a series of TIAs since then and can no longer work.